Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a guy, the crypto boy. So guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about the TRX, okay, mining site. So guys, before we go into this video, I would like to show you what happened about this video before hopping, okay. So there's this friend of mine actually who dropped site on how you be able to earn free airdrops on his telegram channel to his subscribers on Telegram actually. So he recommended a site, the Cello airdrop actually, to his subscribers, and they did what they actually did. So one of his subscriber actually registered for the silo and did everything for the airdrop, applied for the airdrop. So while he was navigating through the site they recommended to him, he actually found another link from that website which actually led him here, guys, led him to this strong mining website, which he actually did. He just tried his luck, sign up, and guys, that guy withdrew many amounts, so massive amounts from this strong cloud mining site. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you the chart, the amount is sent to my guy before heading to the video. So let's go. Okay, so guys, you can see here, this is the amount the guy actually sent to my guy, about 1,000 TRX, worth $80. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you the chart, how the things went. Okay, so this is the chat, guys. You can see he said, "Hi sir, please send me your TRX. I want to send you TRX for thank you for all you have been doing for us." So my guy was like, "Are you serious?" He was like, "Yeah, I was able to withdraw from a free TRX mining website which you recommended." So my guy was like, "Wow, which mining website is that? And how much did you withdraw?" You know the silo mining website, right? Which was the website my guy actually recommend to them they should go and sign up for the airdrop, stuff, blah blah blah. My guy was like, yeah. So he said there is another link on the homepage which leads to the TRX mining. So the guy actually withdrew so many amounts of TRX on that website, which actually sent 1,000 TRX. What TRX? What $80 to my friends. So we started to give it a try. So I was like, okay, I would like to share it with you guys. Okay, so let me just go ahead straight to the video. You can see this is the proof, guys. Recommend the site, and it's actually a fast miner, guys. The mining speed is so fast, guys. Okay, so let me just, without further ado, let me not just waste your time. Let's just go straight to the point, to the video. I'll show how you're able to do. It's just as simple as you think. Okay, so let's go ahead to the video, guys. Okay, this is the site. So guys, this is the site. I'll be dropping the link actually in the description below. Okay, so you just have to go to your trust wallet and copy your TRX wallet address. Okay, you come back here and paste it. Okay, so this is my own TRX address. I've already copied it before, so you just have to connect. You can see success connect address. You can see, so it says checking if the site connection is secured. So guys, you can see. So guys, I decided to send this link to you, the site for you, as soon as possible, so you'll be able to earn. It's said to actually be a new TRX mining site. Okay, so go there, guys, mine, withdraw as many as you want, guys. And note, you guys, it's not a clickable something. You just have to insert your wallet address and you start mining automatically. You can see for yourself, guys. You can see, oh, sorry about that. You can see how it's going, guys. Actually a fast miner, guys. Okay, so here we go, guys. You can see how it is. I've already logged in my wallet. That's my wallet address. You can see how it is, guys. It's actually a fast miner. You can see how the speed is. Okay, mining weight power 5. You can see the weight is 0.5%. Okay, you can see. Okay, so guys, this is how it is. You can actually go. I'll be dropping the link in the description for you below. Cause you guys just do endeavor as soon as possible and start mining, guys. Okay, so guys, I'll be dropping the link, as I told you. I'll be dropping the link in the description below. So guys, as you all know, I'm not a financial advisor. Only do your own research before engaging in any of my videos. So guys, you can actually do increase your mining rate, okay, by inviting friends. Okay, invite friends, affiliate reward plus 5%. Once your friends start mining, you also get a percentage. So guys, while you are mining, do make sure to send the links to your friends and family for them to also start earning, and you also earn increase your own mining rate from that. Okay, so this is how you go. You just have to go and copy your wallet address, tap on the copy it, and you send it to your friends and family, so they'll start earning. And so they'll also earn free TRS also. You can see, guys, this is how it goes. So let us go and see how the withdrawal is. Okay, you can see, let's tap on the withdraw and see how it is. Okay, this is how it is. So say to wallet address, address. This is actually my you can see this is actually my sorry, my trust wallet TRX wallet address. Okay, so you can see withdraw amount, available reward balance 0.002 TRX. Okay, so it said the minimum withdraw is 3 TRX. Okay, you can see, which I believe you will be able to earn, you'll be able to get. Okay, if someone would actually send 1,000 worth of TRX to someone, to my guy, I believe you guys will do better. Okay, you can also do the same. Maximum withdraw is 13,800 TRX. Like, guys, this is massive. Okay, and it said the arrival time is estimated to be an 8 minutes. Okay, so guys, let me not waste much of your time. As usual, just go ahead and start mining as soon as possible, guys. I'll be dropping the link to you in the in the description below. So thank you, guys, and watch out for my next video. So guys, do not forget to actually hit the subscribe button, turn on bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when next I drop a video. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye.